Hi, my name is Yasmine Julian, and I am the owner of Excel at Math, located here in Kennesaw, Georgia. People often ask me why I opened Excel at Math, and honestly, it comes from my heart as both an educator and a mom of three. Over the years, I saw so many students who were bright, capable, and full of potential, but they started to believe they were just not good at math. And once that belief sets in, it affects everything: their confidence, their class choices, even their future goals. I opened Excel at Math because I wanted to create a place where students feel safe to ask questions, where mistakes are part of learning. I want to be able to build their confidence and see it grow just as much as their skills. Math is not just about numbers, and it certainly is not about passing a test. It is about thinking, problem solving, and believing that you can figure things out, anything that comes at you. Every child deserves to feel capable, and that is why Excel at Math exists. Thank you.